Hello guys, welcome to the next video. In this video, we are demonstrate a new project, and this project is made up of using a Python plus ML. And the project title is Student Clustering Systems on the basis of their CGPA using in Python plus ML models that are already trained. So we are using the already trained models to clustering the students on the basis of CGPA. Before starting this project, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe our channel because we have uploaded lots of projects related to the Pythons, related to the MLs, related to the AI, and related to the Java and other different programming languages. And also you can check our websites for more related to the like data science or related to the MLs, or if you are interested to learning something related to AI, so you can check our website also. The website link is updateguide.com. I will provide it the link in the description also. You can check from there, and you will find lots of projects related to the different programming languages like free Java, PHP, Python, Spring Boot, JSP, and data science. And if you are interested learning through data science, then you can check our tutorial points. Here you will find lots of tutorial related to the data science. Now we are going to demonstrate these projects. So the flow of these projects, I will explain. The first I will explain what we have used in these projects, and after that I will explain the flow and exactly what we are going to do in these projects. So project summary: this project is a web-based cluster applications. We have made this project using Streamlit, which allow user to upload a CSV files, and that CSV files should have an CGPA column, that CGPA in a numerical form, and that automatically cluster these students on using a K-means clustering. This cluster is a display on the both tabular and graphical forms. Means after uploading a CSV files, then these models or this project cluster the students on the basis of their CGPA, and then it will display a result in the tabular and in a graphical representation in a both. And at the end, you can download the another CSV file that have another column that cluster the students. The technology that we have used in these projects like Python, Streamlit, Pandas, SK, scikit-learning, and Matplotlib for the visualization. Project step. What are the project steps? Uploading CSV files. First, we need to upload a CSV files, and after that, that application read that CSV files and preview the data. After completing or completing after completing the process, uh, it will divide it, or it will cluster the student on the numerical basis, on the CGPA basis only. The configurations of this application, where the configuration also, like you want to cluster the students on the two tables, three tables, four tables, and according to that, I will show this part on the videos in a project part. I will show in that. And so clusters, like in the end, we have an downloading options to download the CSV files. We have used three charts, not four. We have used three charts. You can remove this. We have used three main charts. One is a bar chart, another is scattered, and last one is a pie chart that will represent the cluster part in a percentage. And these the clustering that we have used clusters according to this 0, 1, 2, and if you increase the cluster size, then it will cluster 3, cluster 4 according to their CGPA. Cluster 0 means low CGPA, means below the 6.5. Cluster 1 means average CGPA, between 6.5 to 8 CGPA. And cluster 2 means high CGPA, above 8 CGPA. What are the key features of these projects? Uploading any students related to a CSV with the numeric features. Auto selection numeric columns means it will automatically select the numeric columns inside the CSV file. And K means cluster with the configuration number of the clusters. We have used four chart, not four. We have used three charts. Three charts. Okay. We have used three charts. After that, after the completion of this project, we it will show you downloading buttons at the end of this pages. So one more thing, if you want to make this in advanced level, so what you can add in this project, I will tell you at the end of this video. So now we are going to start this project. This is the main file of this project, streamlit-app, and this is the requirements files. This is the data csv files that we have used in this project. First column is for name, second column is for roll number, and third column is for numeric, means CGPA. Third column is for the CGPA, and it will automatically detect only this column, the last columns that have the CSV and that have the CGPA only. Now I'm just going to run this project that are already running. Okay, just starting this project now, and now it's running. Just a moment. Okay, I think, okay, I just using a different file name. I just need to use this file name. Now replace this old one and just paste here. You need to use this command to running this Streamlit application, or you can use another command also, command like Streamlit run Streamlit app.py, but I am using this command, so you can use this also. It's up to you. Now it's running. I think it is already running here. Okay, and after running this application, it will show the details of this project. Just a moment. It's running here. It's loading the files. After loading the files, it will display all the data here. Now student CGPA cluster systems, so I need to upload a file. The file should be less than 200 MBs. So I just select a file and I'm using this file. I have already shown the data inside this file. Now after uploading a file, it will display the data of the CSV file. This is the data that I have uploaded into this project, and after that there is an option for clustering settings, means how many part, or in how many sections you want to divide this table. Currently we have divided into three sections: cluster 0, cluster 1, cluster 2. Cluster 0 means below 6.5, cluster 1 means 6.5 to 8, and cluster 2 means high CGPA. You can check here, like cluster 2, the CGPA is 7.8. 7.8 is lie between here. Okay, and cluster 1, I think I need to change here first. You can change this from here also, like if you want to increase the clusters, so it will increase the clusters, and now it will change your cluster size also. Here you can check 0 to, and if I select this from 2 to 3, so it will display you here. And this is the bar graphs: cluster 0, cluster 1, cluster 2, total number of students, and cluster divided. This is the scattered chart of this, and this is the pie chart of this. So 0 cluster means 32%, uh, cluster 1 means 44.8%, and cluster 2 means 23% are the members that are divided into different clusters. You can select using the same percentage also, so it will display in a percentage basis, like distributed of the 7.9 across the clusters. In the last, you can download the CSV files also that are downloadable. You can download the CSV files and you can open that. If you are interested to open this, so you can open this. After opening, it will show that the table has been divided into the cluster basis. You can check here like 109, it will divide it on the cluster basis. So this is all about this project. If you are interested in this project, you can check the descriptions of this video, or if you have this project already and if you're facing some errors, so you can connect with us, like go to our website and here you will find a contact us page. After navigating this page, you can just directly connect with us through the email, through the call, through the WhatsApp, whatever you want to use. So thank you for watching this video.